na kweli tukuligoro mwancho murigereri nigo omuwaziri omukoro bw'oburendi bwaime musike Dr. Fred Matiangi anyakabaga gwesokia ritukulia lero na gukwanira yo nyatukabaga kwanikwa ritukuligoro ase anyarakabaga gakuboria serikali koimukia gusukubwatiri chiko na koimukeria bonsi bali bakora obosalia egetambukero kiri chiko ase boigo anyarakabaga gakutarira abali abanyatukabaga gutigero chingoma ase nyagitari ya Kenyatta Hospital ase banyara gose balengamo na omukonyi b'omurai bwense omukoro ibo igore omurai bw'ekiama kia Wiper musike Kalonzo Musyoka omurai bw'ekiama gia DAP Kenya omusike Eugene Wamalwa na boigo omuseneta bw'ekaunti ya Kisii omusike Richard Onyonka.
Brothers and so on. Admission on the part of government, on those of us who are role players in government, admitting that a mistake has happened, that's where we start. And then asking the organs and the institutions that are judged with that responsibility to deliver on their money, so that investigations are done without blocking them, and so that those who actually are involved and who are culpable are prosecuted. That is what His Excellency the Vice President has spoken to this afternoon. We are asking for actually not the police officers. What do our police officers think about some of these things? And then there are so many stories around this that ought to be addressed in a straightforward manner, in my view. Let us not sweep things under the carpet. So the difference is admission on our part. Where there was a mistake, we admitted there's a mistake here, and we sorted it out. Investigations were going on. And by the way, some of these files are open, and even if there's got additional information on these files, it's your duty as a citizen to give the information to the authorities, and prosecution commences. None of us, even the 3 of us who are here or the 4 of us who are here, none of us is above the law. I've never lived above the law even for 1 minute in my life. So the most important thing, get facts, not to play politics with security matters, so that when it's convenient, you can say this. When it's not convenient, you say the other. Let's go on and deal with these issues. If there are matters that have not been resolved, if there are issues that have not been done, let them be investigated. And that's why I'm calling for public inquest.